Hello, everybody. And today, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna prank my kitty. He's over there staring at the wall. I don't know why. Now my dog is beating him up. Okay. Kitty. Your cat, if you have one, will love the red dot. So majestic.